All right, in this lesson, we are going to talk about angles in polygons. This is section 8.2. There are two types of angles that we are going to talk about: the interior angles and the exterior angles. These are the interior and these are the exterior. Let's first start off by focusing on the interior angles. So we have this polygon. This polygon has 6 sides and 6 angles. Let's say I wanted to add up all of the angles and I wanted to find their sum, what they add up to. We can find this by using a formula. This is the formula: n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. For this example, since n is equal to 6, there's 6 sides. I'm plugging in 6 for n. I'm plugging it into the formula. Here I'm just simplifying. 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180. 4 times 180 is 720. So the sum of the interior angles is equal to 720 degrees. Next, I will use a different polygon. This time it has 7 sides, and I want to find the sum of the interior angles. So once again, I use the same formula: n minus 2 times 180. Make sure you have that formula in your notes. And I'm plugging in 7 into the formula, n for n. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 times 180 is equal to 900 degrees. Next, I'm going to focus on the exterior angles. They're different from the interior, and it has a different formula. So these are my exterior angles. In this case, I have 5 angles and I have 5 sides. So the sum of the exterior angles is always equal to 360, no matter how many sides or angles you have. So in this case, we have 5 angles. So if I add up all 5 exterior angles, it's going to be equal to 360. I'm just rewriting it. I'm saying measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3, measure angle 4 plus measure angle 5 is equal to 360. Let's say I have this this problem to solve. I have here 4 exterior angles and I am asked to find the value of x. Well, if I use the knowledge from the previous theorem, the one that says that the sum of all the exterior angles is equal to 360, then I can set up an equation. I can add up the 4 angles: 95 plus 85 plus 2x plus x equals to 360. And then from here, I can just use some algebra to find the value of x. I first start by combining the like terms. 95 plus 85, that's 180. And then 2x plus 1x, that's 3x. Is equal to 360. I subtract 180 to both sides. I get 3x by itself. And let me slow down. And subtract 180 on the other side. 360 minus 180 is 180. And then I have 3x equals 180. And my last step is to divide both sides by 3. So I get x equals 60.